Team 2468.
Team Appreciate.
And in driver station number 2, Team 3847.
Team Spectrum.
And rounding out this Red Alliance, Team 3735.
Team Vortex. Both Red Alliances have those triangle hand signs they're throwing up.
And now coming over to the Blue Alliance side of the field, first up, Team 2587.
That's Team Disco Bots.
And in driver station number 2, Team 1296.
The Full Metal Jackets.
Rounding out the Blue Alliance, we have Team 5431.
Titan Robotics.
All right, we got thumbs up. Drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go.
All robots moving towards their airships and autonomous. 3735 puts a gear on the lift, while 3847 Spectrum knocking down a hopper and shooting fuel up into that high boiler, scoring point after point for the Red Alliance. Looks like the Blue Alliance had one rotor spinning in autonomous and gets a second rotor spinning right off the bat. 3847 loading their gear onto the lift, and the Red Alliance pilots taking those gears and turning them into the points. There's one rotor spinning for the Red Alliance. All the Red Alliance robots now heading down over to their human feeder stations, going to pick up gears to score for their team. Looks like there's a lift a little bit tangled up on the Red Alliance, but the pilot has got it all sorted out. Team 5431, your first place team, that little tiny robot is flying across the field. They're loading up gears for their team and scoring lots of points. You can see Team 2468 coming over to the Red Alliance, lining up to score a gear on theirs, as well as Team 3735. Team 1296 now lining up for the Blue Alliance on the far side near the feeder stations, trying to score a gear for the Blue Alliance. 5431 now doing the same. Some contact in the middle of the field between 3847 and 2587, both looking to go and get some more gears. Disco Bots lining up, but having some trouble getting the gear directly onto that lift. 3735 looks like they've got it for the Red Alliance right up into the field. Team 3847 crashing into the wall on the audience side, but they're making it back and going to line up into that gear. Looks like they've had two gears stuck in their robot, and they're trying to figure out how to get one of them out. Team 2468 now lining up on the far side for the Red Alliance. They've got a ball in front of them, but they're trying to get a gear on, and they've got one. 1296 coming for the Blue Alliance, trying to get to that human feeder station, but 3847 is blocking the way. 3735 now up for the Red Alliance. Looks like the Red Alliance is working on their last gear. Both teams have 3 rotors spinning. They're trying to finish it up. 30 seconds left, and the climbs have started. Looks like 2587 has stalled a little bit. The Disco Bots have not made it up. But 3735 and 2468 both make it up for the Red Alliance. Let's see if the Blue Alliance can match. There's 5431 looking to struggle a little bit. 3847's going up. All 3 Red Alliance robots up. We'll see what the match score says. Here's the score for qualifying match number 26. Looks like it's a Red Alliance victory with score of 325 to 165. Both teams had penalties that match, but it came down to those 3 robots being ready for takeoff for the Red Alliance.